Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with OneSignal for mobile push notifications. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To get started, visit the OneSignal website at onesignal.com. Click on the Get Started button in the top right corner of the home page. You will be prompted to sign up for an account if you don't already have one. Enter your email address and create a password, then click Sign Up. Once you have signed up, check your email for a confirmation link and follow it. After verifying your email, log in to your OneSignal account. On the dashboard, click on Add a new app. You will be asked to name your app. Choose a name that reflects its purpose. Select Mobile Push as the platform for your notifications. Next, choose the platform you are developing for, either iOS or Android. For iOS, you will need to provide your Apple keys, including the App ID and the APN's authentication key. For Android, set up your Google Firebase project to get your server key. Once you have entered the necessary keys, click Save. Now, navigate to the Settings tab within your app dashboard. Make sure to configure your push notification settings according to your needs. You can customize the notification appearance, sound, and other options here. After that, go to the Audience section to manage your user segments. You can create segments based on user behavior, location, or other criteria. Finally, test your notifications by sending a test push to your device. Make sure to monitor the delivery status and engagement analytics in your OneSignal dashboard. Congratulations! You are now ready to send mobile push notifications through OneSignal. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.